So let's figure out the fraction that's halfway between, exactly halfway between 1/3 and 5/8. So we're looking for the midpoint between 1/3 and 5/8. A few ways you could do it. You could add these together and then divide by 2. What I like to do is get the denominators to be the same, then I can compare the numerators. You get the same answer either way. So I'm going to say 3 times 8, that equals 24, and 8 times 3, that equals 24. So I have the same denominator. But what I do to the denominator, I do need to do the same thing to the numerator. It's because 8 over 8 is 1, so we're just multiplying by 1. Over here, we multiply by 3. So now we have 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24, and 8 24ths, that's an equivalent fraction to 1/3. Over here we have 15 24ths. And now, because we have the same denominator, that 24, we can figure out what's halfway between 8 and 15. And the way you do that is you just add 8 plus 15 and divide by 2. So I have 23 divided by 2, which is 11.5. So the fraction halfway between 8 24ths and 15 24ths is 11.5 over 24. I don't really like the decimal there, so I'm going to multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. 11.5 multiplied by 2 is 23. 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. So the fraction exactly halfway between 1/3 and 5/8 is 23/48. And if you just added 1/3 plus 5/8 and divided by 2, you get the same answer. That's how I do it. Hope that helps. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.